Hi, my name is Sivakumar Reddy. I have total 10.5 years of experience. Right now, I'm working as DevOps and Cloud Architect. Earlier, I had Java development experience as well. I train a lot of members as DevOps and Cloud engineers across the world. Most of them are settled as DevOps and Cloud engineers in India, US, UK, Australia, and few of the Europe countries as well. Today I'm very happy to announce I am launching an exclusive Docker and Kubernetes course with Unacademy partnership. You can ask me why I started this exclusive Docker and Kubernetes course with Unacademy. The answer is few years back we were deploying the applications as monolithic applications into on-premise servers or cloud VMs. But from last couple of years, everything has been changed. Most of the applications in this world are becoming microservices, and by default, new projects getting developed are microservices. So if you want to develop, deploy, or maintain a microservice application, you must understand Docker and Kubernetes concepts very well. So in market, you can find DevOps engineer course, cloud engineering course, development course like Java, React.js, Node.js, but you cannot find Docker and Kubernetes exclusive training because Docker and Kubernetes it takes around 25 to 30 hours to cover into the advanced level. So none of the DevOps engineering course, cloud engineering course, development course cannot really spend 25 to 30 hours to cover these two topics. You can clear two certifications called CKA Certified Kubernetes Administration and Certified Kubernetes Application Developer CKAD with this training. So you need to attend this training and practice as I said, then you can definitely complete these two certifications which are very highly valuable in the industry. So this is the reason I started an exclusive training of 25 to 30 hours on Docker and Kubernetes with Unacademy. Now let us discuss what are the advantages you will get by learning Docker and Kubernetes. As I said, mostly all of the applications in this world are becoming microservices. If you have Docker and Kubernetes in your profile, it will be easily shortlisted for interviews. And for example, if your target is to get 10 lakhs package, but if you have Docker and Kubernetes in your profile and if you answer well in the interviews, definitely you will get 12 to 13 lakhs package. So there is always 20 to 30% more than your expected package with Docker and Kubernetes. Now let us discuss about the prerequisites for this Docker and Kubernetes. Basic Linux knowledge is enough to learn Docker and Kubernetes. I am sure developers, DevOps engineers, cloud engineers and administrators, you will definitely have Linux knowledge, and any person in IT who are already working in IT can learn this course because CKA, CKAD, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, these two are highly valuable certifications in IT. Anyone who attend this course and complete the practice, as I said, you can easily clear these two certifications that will increase the value to your profile. Now let us discuss about the training information. So training will be started from March 4th, which is on Saturday. We will have demo session on that day 8 to 9 p.m. and actual sessions will start from coming Monday after March 4th. The sessions will be on weekdays 8 to 9 p.m. completely recorded with high quality, and you will have lifetime access. You will have chat sessions, you will have question and answer sessions, interactive sessions. Everything is available in our website. So the training is for 25 to 30 hours from basics to advanced level. So now let's discuss about the training syllabus and the pricing structure. I will share my screen and I will show you the website and I will take you to the syllabus section and how can you buy the course. Now let's go to our website techworldwithsiva.com. Here you can go to the courses section. Namaste DevOps, the complete Kubernetes course. As I explained already, this is 25 to 30 hours of live sessions with recordings. It will be for 5 weeks. The course is completely practical with project from day one. And you can definitely get your package 20 to 30% more with Docker and Kubernetes. Your profile will be easily shortlisted with Docker and Kubernetes in your profile. And then let us discuss about the syllabus here. First, we will have an introduction session, and then we will discuss very deep about Docker. We will understand the difference of physical machine virtualization and
containerization. Later we will install Docker, we will learn Docker commands, we will learn Docker file and reference, and we will learn how to build our own images and push them to the Docker private registry. And we will discuss about Docker architecture and its components. We will use our RoboShop project. Then we will create RoboShop project containers and deploy them using Docker Compose. We will learn Docker volumes and networking. We will understand the problems of more Docker containers. Then we will understand the need for Kubernetes. We will understand Kubernetes architecture and its components. Then we will provision one production grade EKS cluster into AWS. We will create the namespaces. We will understand how to write AML. We will know kubectl commands. We will understand pods, sets, replicas, services, and deployment sets, deployment strategies, secrets, config maps. Everything I mentioned here, we will learn with our RoboShop project, that is a real-time project from IBM. Then we will know what is PV and PVC, which is persistent volumes and persistent volume claims. We will deploy our RoboShop e-commerce project completely into our EKS cluster, and then we will learn how to create Helm charts. We will convert our RoboShop application as Helm charts. So these are all the things we will learn in this Docker and Kubernetes course. When it comes to the price, usually in market you can find minimum 10 to 15,000 of price for Docker and Kubernetes. But here I personally requested Unacademy to keep as low price as possible. If you click this, and you will always find some promo codes here. Use this promo code, click on buy now. Whenever you visit the website, that is the all-time low price from the time you visit our website. Buy it immediately, otherwise Unacademy may increase the price. Okay, just click proceed, fill your details and click on buy now option. Okay guys, this is all about this. Thanks for watching. I will see you on March 4th, 8 p.m. in our demo session.